In this quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to use Google Assistant to make phone calls on your phone, step by step. First, unlock your Android phone and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now, open the Google app or swipe to your Google Assistant screen to confirm Assistant is available. Check your microphone permissions so Google Assistant can hear you when you say commands. If you want to say Hey Google hands-free, turn on the Hey Google voice activation in your Assistant settings. Once Assistant is ready and listening, you can start making phone calls with just your voice. To start, say Hey Google or press and hold your home button or power button, depending on your phone, to launch Google Assistant. Then say call followed by the contact's name, like call Sarah, and Google Assistant will search your contacts. If you have more than one number saved, Assistant may ask which number to use. Just say mobile, work, or home. You can also say call plus the phone number directly, for example, call plus country code, area code, and number. Google Assistant will place the call through your phone app automatically, so you just wait for the other person to answer. To hang up hands-free, say Hey Google, end the call. That's it. Now you know how to use Google Assistant to make phone calls anytime.